before life removed the innocence my father will leave behind, and dance with my mother and me, and then spin around till I feel asleep. Then up the stair he will carry me, and I knew for sure I was loved. If I could get another chance, another walk, another dance with him, I play a song that would never ever end. How I'd love to dance with my father again. Ooh. When my mother would scream to get my way, I would run from her to him. He'd make me laugh just to comfort me. Yeah, then he make me do just what my mother said. Later that night I was asleep. He left $1 under my shirt. Never dreamed that he would be gone from me. If I could steal one final glance, one final step, one final dance with him, I'd play a song that would never ever end. 'Cause I'd love to dance with my father again. Sometimes I listen outside the door, and I hear how my mother cried for him. I pray for her even more than me. I prayed for her even more than me. I know I'm praying for much too much, but could you see back the only man she loved? I knew you don't do it usually, but dear Lord, she's dying. Dance with my father again. Every night I fall asleep, and all this is ever I dream.